In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your JBL Quantum 100 to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the JBL Quantum 100 on your iPhone is possible. However, unlike most JBL headphones, you won't be able to do it over Bluetooth, so this process can be a little bit more complicated. But all that you have to do is either connect it directly to your iPhone or use an adapter if you don't have the right connection. So, as you can see, the JBL Quantum 100 uses a P3 connection. Because of this fact, you will need to use an adapter and connect it properly to your iPhone. The only way to do this is if you are able to use a 3.5mm to Lightning or USB-C adapter, depending on the connection that your iPhone has. As long as you are able to connect the Quantum 100 to the adapter, so plug it into the 3.5mm port on the adapter, and then plug the Lightning or USB-C cable into your iPhone, you will be able to use it over the wired connection. There is no guarantee that the microphone is going to work, but the audio should be flawless. So every audio coming out of your iPhone is going to be transmitted to the JBL Quantum 100. And of course, you can do this with any other model that is also wired only. If you have a wireless model that supports Bluetooth, the process is much simpler because all that you have to do is set it to pairing mode, go over to the Bluetooth settings, enable it, and choose it from the list. But because the Quantum 100 specifically only features a wired connection, sadly you will not be able to do it as easily. So you either need to consider using an adapter or switching the headphone model that you have from JBL. You either need to acquire a Bluetooth one or, like I said, go the wired route and choose to use a 3.5mm to Lightning or to USB-C adapter. Then plug it into your iPhone and you will be able to use it. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect JBL Quantum 100 to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.